eyes off of you. What are the things?
Sheila, pinataga mo ba si Vic na narito ngayon na maging tunay mong asawa alinsunod sa ipinag-uutos ng Santa Iglesia ang ina natin?
Opo, Father.
Ibinibigay mo ba sa kanya iyong sarili bilang esposa niya?
Opo, Father.
Pumapayag ka bang siya ay maging esposo mo?
Opo, Father.
At ikaw naman, Vic, pinataga mo ba si Sheila narito ngayon na maging tunay mong asawa alinsunod sa ipinag-uutos ng Santa Iglesia ang ina natin?
Opo, Father.
Ibinibigay mo ba sa kanya iyong sarili bilang esposo niya?
Opo, Father.
Pumapayag ka bang siya ay maging esposa mo?
Opo, Father.
Something about you now I can't quite figure out. Everything she does is beautiful. Everything she does is right. 'Cause it's you.
Pagkaloob mo, Panginoon,
Na kami ay magkaisa
Na kami ay magkaisa
ng puso at kaluluwa.
ng puso at kaluluwa,
Mula ngayon,
mula ngayon
sa hirap at ginhawa,
sa hirap at ginhawa,
sa karamdaman at kalusugan,
sa karamdaman at kalusugan,
sa paghihikahos at kasaganaan,
sa paghihikahos at kasaganaan,
mula ngayon,
hanggang sa wakas ng aming buhay.
With me and all our people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you.
Sheila, isuot mo ang singsing na ito, tanda ng ating pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, Espiritu Santo. Amen.
so slowly, and time can do so. Palakpakan po natin. Sheila, ipashoot mo rin ngayon ang singsing na ito sa iyong asawa.
Vic, isuot mo rin ang singsing na ito, tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Palakpakan po natin muli. Di kibigyan mo ngayon ng mga aras na ito sa iyong asawa.
Sheila, ibinibigay ko sa iyo ang mga aras na ito, tanda ng aking pagsuyo sa iyo, sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Tinatanggap ko
you love. I only want you happy, even if it's not with me. Maybe one make the smile on my face will last till the end of time. But I'm not so sure if
At ngayon mga kapatid, tandaan natin pagtanggap sa ating bagong lasal. I would like to present to you our new welcome. Walang pesa na.
for you. Yeah, I think I'm falling. Baby, I'm falling for you. Only time will tell. The mystery has yet to unfold. Who's gonna feel love's warmth and the other left in the cold? Yet still I'm falling. Maybe I'm falling for you. Yeah, I think I'm falling. Baby, I'm falling for you. That I think I'm falling. Maybe I'm falling for you. Yeah, I think I'm falling. Baby, I'm falling for you.
I'm one of Vic's friends from back in high school. I don't really have a speech prepared. Yeah, I've been struggling with what to say this whole time. You know, not because I'm nervous in public speaking, but it's such an important day for my dear friend and his new bride. And I struggled with the right words to say in this special day. But basically what I want to say to the couple is, you know, cherish this moment. Cherish this time. There's this one favorite song of mine called Seasons of Love. And it goes, how do you measure life? And it goes, measure life with love.